Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Matrix, and today in this video we'll be discussing about the Apple's new computer processor. Yeah, you have heard it right. Every year Apple launches its new mobile processor with highly upgraded chipsets. Now this time Apple have launched their new computer processor, and that's the Apple M1. So stay tuned in this video because we will be discussing a whole lot of things regarding this new processor. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech updates like this. Now the Apple M1 is the first ARM-based chip that is designed by Apple itself, and they are generally for the line of Macintosh computers, and they will be available in the new MacBooks like MacBook Air, Mac Minis, and the MacBook Pro. And moreover, it's the first personal computer chip that is built on the 5nm process. Yes, 5nm process. Apple states that it's the world's fastest central processing unit core, which is packed by a low power silicon and the world's best CPU performance per watt. Now the M1 has 4 high performance cores and the 4 low power cores that are providing a configuration similar to the ARM's Big Little architecture. This combination allows power use optimization not possible with Apple Intel architecture devices, but Apple claims the lower power cores uses 1/10 the power of the high performance ones. And that's really insane. The high performance cores have 192 KB of instruction cache, 128 KB of data cache, and shares a 12 MB of L2 cache. The low ones uses 128 KB of instruction cache, 64 KB of data cache, and shares a 4 MB of L2 cache. Now the M1 uses 4266 MHz LPDDR4S SD RAM, which is in a unified memory configuration shared by all the components of the processor. The SoC and the RAMs are mounted together in a system package design, and they are coming in two configurations, 8GB and 16GB. Now we have talked more and more about CPU. Now let's come to the part of GPU. Now the M1 integrates an Apple designed 8-core graphic processing unit and a dedicated neural network hardware in a 16-core neural engine. Other components include image signal processor, that is ISP, NVMe storage, Thunderbolt 4 controller, and the secure enclave. So now what you guys think about the new Apple M1 processor? Is it good or is it bad? Or whether you should upgrade or not? I mean, if someone is buying a new MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro, then he must buy the latest version of the MacBook because they are having the new processor. And if you see the Apple processor with their own operating system, they will bring a lot of improvement in performance and security.